Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to get views on TikTok. So first of all, you need to create high quality content. Ensure your videos are well lit, clear and have good audio quality. Interesting and engaging content is more likely to be shared and viewed. Use trending hashtags. Research popular and relevant hashtags within your niche or for your video's content. Using trending hashtags can increase your video's discoverability. Post regularly. Consistency is key on TikTok. Try to post regularly, whether it's daily or a few times a week. To keep your audience engaged, engage with trends. Participate in TikTok challenges and trends. This can get your video more exposure as it appears under the relevant hashtags. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos and engage with your followers. Building a sense of community can encourage more views. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other TikTok creators in your niche. This can introduce your content to their followers, potentially increase your views. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete with a catchy profile picture, bio, and contact information. A well optimized profile can attract more followers. Share on other platforms. Promote your TikTok videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook to increase your reach. Timing matters. Post your videos during peak hours when your target audience is more active on TikTok. This can vary depending on your audience demographics. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.